How to fix audio not recording in PowerPoint. You're trying to record voiceovers or narrated slide presentation, but when you press record, PowerPoint stays completely silent or fails to pick up your voice. This usually happens when Windows microphone permissions are blocked, to the wrong audio input is selected, or hardware audio processing glitches. First, let's make sure Windows isn't blocking PowerPoint from accessing your microphone in the background. So just go ahead and open up settings like this. After that, click privacy and security in the left sidebar and scroll down and select microphone here. First, ensure microphone access is toggled on globally here with this button. Then scroll down to check that Let Desktop Apps Access Your Microphone is switched on. This one, second switch. And verify that Microsoft PowerPoint is allowed access. Next, let's verify that PowerPoint is listening to the correct microphone device and that your input volume isn't muted. So click your Start menu, then choose Sound Settings right here. Press Enter. Under the Input section, ensure your primary microphone or headset is selected as your default input device. So you scroll down to Input and choose your primary microphone. Click your microphone device, like this, to view its properties and make sure that the input volume set to 100%. Okay, so if you have less, just go all the way up to 100. And speak out loud to ensure the taskbar is responding. In my case, as you can see, I have this little blue filler bar that appears. Then what if your microphone works in other apps, but PowerPoint records stuttering audio or complete silence? Third-party drivers can affect and conflict with Office. Inside your microphone properties and sound settings, just locate audio enhancements. So back into those settings, back to microphone properties, and in here, make sure to turn off your audio enhancements. That is it. Try out these fixes and let us know if they worked.